Hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Thysiamore and this is BIO with Thysiamore, Beauty Inside Out with Thysiamore. Today I'm going to be showing you how I whiten my teeth at home using all natural products. So if you want to know how to whiten your teeth at home using all natural products, then keep on watching this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe. Hit the notification button so you do not miss it when I upload a new video. Like this video and share this video to your family and friends who are in need of it. Okay, if you want to know how I whiten my teeth at home using all natural product, then keep on watching. Okay guys, what are some of the causes of dental plaque, tooth decay and brown teeth? I'm going to list some of them to you. Number 1 is having too much sweets, cakes and chocolates. Number 2 is not rinsing your mouth after meals. Number 3 is not brushing your teeth 2 times a day. Number 4 is not brushing your teeth very well when you actually brush. And lastly is taking too much drugs, that is when you take too much medicine. Okay, without any further ado, let's jump right into how we can whiten our teeth and prevent dental plaque at home. Okay guys, here we are in my bathroom and the first ingredient we'll be using is rice powder. Rice powder is a great bleaching agent and it's great for your teeth. I'm just going to be putting in 1 tablespoon into the mixing bowl. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is charcoal, activated charcoal, which I already grinded using my local grinder. I grinded it into powder and we'll be using 1 tablespoon. So I'm just mixing it in there into the rice powder. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is lime. I find it to be more activated than lemon, but if you have lemon, you can use lemon. So I'm just squeezing in half lime into the mixture and mixing all ingredients together, as you can see in the video. So I ended up using another half lime because I wanted the refreshing taste to be concentrated in the mixture, so when you speak no odor comes out of your mouth. So right here I'm just mixing all ingredients together. If you want to mix thoroughly, it's very important to mix thoroughly. Now the next ingredient we'll be using is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a great bleaching agent. It's also an anti-bacterial agent, which is great for your teeth as well. I'm just using 1 tablespoon, putting it into the mixture, and I am going to be mixing it thoroughly. The next thing I'm going to be using is coconut oil. Coconut oil is very great for your teeth as well. It is great antibacterial agent. So right now I'm just mixing everything together, putting everything together, making sure they all come together very well. So the next thing you want to use is a toothpaste, because you'll be scrubbing your teeth. You need a toothpaste to actually be in the mixture, so when you scrub, it's going to lather and actually wash your teeth and your entire mouth very well. So I'm just putting it in there and making sure I mix very well. You can use any minty toothpaste that you have. It doesn't have to be Colgate. I find Colgate to be very cool. So right now I'm just mixing all ingredients together so I could get a great consistency. And right now I'm testing the consistency with my toothbrush, which you're going to see how it is. And of course I'm going to be using it on my teeth to show you the effects. So I'm going to be scrubbing my teeth with the mixture. I'm going to be scrubbing all areas of my teeth and also my mouth, concentrating in all my teeth areas, upper, lower and everywhere. If you have dental plaque, you want to use this in all areas of your mouth and make sure you scrub. I'm just going to leave it for 2 minutes, then do subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments in the comment section so I'll know if this helped you and what you think about this video. You can also request any video of your choice about skincare and I'll be there to answer you, or I'll probably make a video for you. Please share this video, like this video, turn off the post notification so you do not miss it when I upload other videos in the future. And love you so much. Thank you for staying tuned. Have a wonderful day. Bye.